Come back, and now we are going to look at the substitution method. So in the method before, we looked at getting rid of one variable in order to find the next one because we have two unknowns. In this case, we are going to rearrange any one of the equations we choose in order to find out what one specific variable is equal to. So just like the last time, we choose an equation to work with when finding the unknown. So that's what we're going to do now to rearrange. In order to let it be easier for you, choose an equation where the variable that you want to focus on is positive. So in this case, I want to focus on the y. So equation 2 gives me a positive y value. So that means I'm going to focus on that to work with. So I am going to call this equation 3. So I need y to stay by itself, so I have to get rid of 4x. 4x is added to y, so therefore I can subtract it on the next side. So this is now my equation 3. Once I get equation 3, I can put back the same value right here anywhere I see y. And that's it. So let us try it with the equation 1. So we have 2x minus y is equal to 3. We found the value of y already to be this, so let us substitute. So that's 2x minus 9 minus 4x is equal to 3. Alright, so based on the distributive property again, this negative sign affects every single thing inside. We are not going to use the 2xy. It is separated. It's standing by itself in its own little corner. If this was a bracket in a bracket now and there was no negative sign, then of course the 2x would affect everything. But that is not the situation here. So it's a term standing by itself and a sign separates them. So we're going to use the distributive property and use it on these terms inside. So we write back our 2x because it's not affected. Negative multiplied by positive 9, that's negative 9. The negative has a way to impact everything that's around it or directly beside it. And then the negative multiplied by negative 4x, the sign changes. That's the rule. Then we write back equal 3. Nothing affected that 3. Next step, we look for the like terms. So we have 2x and we have positive 4x. So we put them together. Then we have minus 9 still equal 3. So we have these together, so we simplify. So in order to find what this variable is, we have to get rid of this extra. And then x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So we found the value of x already. Please note that whether you are using the elimination or substitution method, the answers will be the same. So you choose which procedure is more convenient to you. So remember, we found what is y in equation 3. We can simply substitute this value in equation 3 to find out what's the value of y. So we had y is equal to 9 minus 4x, and we found that x is equal to 2. So y is equal to 1. So nothing changed per se. We just rearrange the equation given to us any one we choose. But the easiest way to do it is to ensure that the variable you want to focus on is positive. Usually we focus on the one that's the smallest. So this is how we solve questions involving substitution when we are given simultaneous equations. So I hope it helped.